Welcome to another junior algebra video. This is our third video on expanding. If you haven't really mastered the first two skills and practiced them enough, please go back and do that because this one gets a little tricky. Right, we know in mathematics expand means to multiply the term out the front of the brackets by everything inside the brackets. Right, let's get into example 1. Let's expand and then simplify the following expression. 2 bracket x plus 3 bracket plus 5 bracket x plus 1. All right, what we're going to do is expand the first bracket. So let's start off. 2 times x, our first rainbow, is 2x. There's a plus sign to go, and then we're going to do our second rainbow. 2 times 3 is 6. Right, now we're going to move on and expand the second bracket. So let's move on and multiply out the second bracket. So we're going to go positive 5 times x makes plus 5x, and a positive 5 times a positive 1 makes positive 5. So we're going to write down 5x plus 5. Right, so we've expanded the first bracket and we've expanded the second bracket. Now we can simplify it by adding like terms. So notice the 2x plus the 5x are like terms, and we can go 2x plus 5x makes 7x. And notice this plus 6 and this plus 5 are like terms, and we can add them. Plus 6 plus 5 will make positive 11. So we can write down our final answer, which is 7x plus 11. We can't simplify those two any further because 7x is unlike 11. Right, example 2. Let's try another one. Expand and then simplify the following expression. 4 bracket x minus 3 close bracket plus 7 bracket x plus 4. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to expand the first bracket. So 4 times x, written as 4x. We see a subtract, and then 4 times 3 is 12. Let's move on and expand the second bracket. So we've got this positive 7 times x makes positive 7x. And we have a positive 7 times the positive 4 makes positive 28, plus 28. And once again, we're looking for like terms. So we have this 4x plus the 7x. They are like terms, so 4x plus 7x makes 11x's. And we have these like terms, the numbers negative 12 plus 28. So we can see that negative 12 plus 28 makes positive 16. Think of your integer skills, negative 12 plus 28 makes positive 16. So our final answer is 11x plus 16. And we can't simplify those two because they are unlike. Right, now we're getting really tricky. Here's our last example. Expand and simplify. 6 bracket p plus 2 close bracket minus 4 bracket b minus 3. Right, let's expand the first bracket. 6 times p is 6p plus 6 times 2 is 12. Now, when we go to expand the second bracket, here's what we've got to be careful of. We've got a negative 4 out the front. I know it's a subtract 4, but we're going to treat it like a negative 4. Negative 4 times the p makes negative 4p. When we do the second rainbow, we've got to be careful. Negative 4 is out the front. Negative 4 times by negative 3 is in the bracket. Negative 4 times negative 3 makes plus 12 because a negative times a negative makes a plus. Now we go to simplify our like terms. So 6p minus 4p. 6p minus 4p makes 2p. And we have our plus 12 makes plus 24. So our final answer is 2p plus 24. Awesome. Thanks very much for watching.